Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing something with you that I have been waiting for. Guys. Yes, that's the hand expressions, the clapping, the clicking of the nails and all that. I have been waiting for this. The sun is not letting me be great today, so you see like the shining of the sun. But anyways, let's get to the product. This is called Folex. It came in from Amazon. Let me take it out of its pack. Okay. This is what it looks like. It is two 32-ounce jars of this. This is not, I repeat, this is not sponsored. This is me sharing something with you to save your coin so you don't have to get someone to come out to do something for you, to clean something for you, whatever the case may be. This is me giving you the raw, uncut, something that I'm going to use, review, and show you how it works. That's why I do these a little bit longer, because I want you to see it. I want to talk to you, get my actual expression and everything. I've heard so much about these. I did some research on them, and they are supposed to be the solution to your stains. They remove pet accidents, grease, ink, wine, coffee, blood, rust, food, cosmetics, dirt, grime, most old stains. Excellent for upholstery. Okay, so it's 1 quart a piece, no rinsing. It says no rinsing, instant spot carpet spot remover. I'm so excited. They have been in business for over 40 years. Instant results, no rinsing, vacuuming, or waiting to see results. Spots vanish before your eyes. Amazing surfactants. Action instantly removes stubborn grease, dirt, and grime. We're not just gonna keep talking. Let's get into the video and see what this stuff does, because what's the point of talking when we can do a actual demo of how great this stuff is? Let's go. If after you see the demo you are interested, make sure you comment below so I don't forget to put the link in. And yeah, so let's get into it. So we are zoomed in. I hope that it focuses. There's this brown stain, as you can see right here, there, and the camera is not trying to focus. So I'm going to just spray it. I'm going to spray this stuff to see if that stain is going to disappear. So we got spray, and we are going to, sorry for moving the camera, I'm going to spray both areas. Boom, 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 boom. You see they become darker now. You see them? I don't know if I'm supposed to agitate. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know if I'm supposed to agitate the stain, but I can see, oh gosh, do y'all see that? Oh my gosh, like they're literally going. Then there's another black stain. Oh, the brown is gone. It is gone. It is gone. It is gone. Like it's gone. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Like Flavor Flav. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, Folex. I faintly see it, but they say as it sits, it's just going to continue to disappear. Just spray a little bit. I faintly see it like right here and right here. But oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. And y'all see I'm nothing edited. I'm just spraying and it's gone. It is gone. Oh my gosh. I have to stop this to start another video because I'm gonna go to another spot. Spot number 2, guys, and this is right in front of my couch, a very high traffic area, literally right in front of the couch. So I don't know what this is. I do not know if this, I'm thinking that this was from a candle. When I clipped it, I feel like one of the pieces got on there because it mimicked like an eyeliner. The way when I was trying to grab it, it kept rolling and making black marks. So you see the one there, you see the one there, and then it's a little bitty one right there. So let's spray it. Let's see if this disappears before our eyes, guys. Let's see. Oh, you can even see where it was on that white, how it disappeared, that line going across there. I just want to agitate it a little bit. Should I really don't. Listen, okay, Folex. Okay. I don't really have anything that has stains on it. This chair from a yard sale, and it is in great condition. It's real leather, but this linen right here has this stain. Don't know, but they said upholstery, so we're gonna try it. And I knew that I can find something to try to clean this, so I wasn't really mad about the fact that it had the stain. It was $30, and I said, okay, yeah, that stain is not that serious. I can always get something and have that clean, or take like a carpet cleaner or something like that and possibly clean it. Now I just want to do this just to see, because this is old water. Oh wow, do you see this one little space? Wow, wow, wow. I'm definitely gonna have to wait and come back once this dries so we can really see, because it's wet and you can't really tell. But yeah, that water stain is all up and down this part of it, and I just want to agitate it. I want to see, because I really want that to go away. Wow, guys. This is gonna be my new fave. It's gonna be, you can see that they are disappearing in even the wetness. You can kind of see this like right here, but guys, you can see that the stains are disappearing, because when I wet them, you can see that they had darkened, but it's like they're now going away. Yo, and this is linen. This is linen. I love sharing stuff like this with my people. Look, there's a spot right there, and definitely this is wet, but we gonna see. I'm not just stay tuned. Let's see. We gonna see the next clip and see how this yellowing looks, and you already see the lines are gone. So stay tuned. I'm excited. Even that has started to already dry up, those spots down there. Stay tuned. Okay, so here is the little issue I see, and you know how you just be anxious and you're doing something. So what I noticed is it started to make a yellow stain where the Folex, you probably can't see it, but if I can zoom in, you should be able to see it. It started to make a yellow stain where the Folex stopped, right? It did dry, but the actual stain that I was trying to get off did go away. So what I'm going to do is just drench the whole thing, because if it is taking the stains away and making them disappear, I'm going to just drench the whole thing. And I'm getting ready to do that now. So I allow myself to drench it, and I'm going to kind of speed this up a little bit, because I feel like drenching it, hopefully, if the stain is being released all the way to the bottom and leaving a line, so I figured let's just wet the whole thing and hopefully you won't see a line. So let's see how this works. So I got excited, but I'm still have to wait till tomorrow. I had to cut my lamp on because it is nighttime and the light is not going to show the same. But I'm excited because, guys, I don't see nothing. But we're going to wait till tomorrow to get the real bright light to show you the difference. This stuff is amazing. Okay, guys, it is the next day, and I can say that I am pleasantly surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised. Only one thing, and I see it more than camera than I do see it here, is it's like a faint little spot here. But you know what? The way it looked compared to what it looks like now, there's no way that I'm going to waste my time and mess with that, because at the end of the day, the watermark is gone and you can't really see that. And if you're in my home looking that hard, you don't need to be here. But anyways, this is it. These are the results. And I will recommend, if you're doing linen, saturate the whole area, because as you see with linen, it tends to make a yellowing spot wherever you have stopped the spray. So that's it. I hope this was helpful. I hope that these different ways that I'm using this Folex was showing you a great demo and review on how you can make a decision to get it for your home and have it on deck, just in case you have any accidents or any spills with you, your children, friends, or family, anything like that. So guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, make sure you share the video, and make sure you join my family by hitting that subscribe bell and hit the notification bell. So the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll be sure to get back to you, and I will see you guys later, gators.